Video 2, Building a Foundation for the Future. Every lasting transformation begins with a strong foundation. In the same way a house needs a solid foundation to stand, your growth needs a foundation of habits, practices, and beliefs that support your highest self. The work you've done so far has helped you uncover your authentic self, let go of limiting beliefs, and embrace vulnerability. Now it's time to build a foundation that supports this new version of you. This foundation is made up of the daily habits, routines, and practices that will keep you grounded and help you continue to grow. In this video, we're going to explore what it means to build a strong foundation for your future and how to create the daily structures that will help you live in alignment with your true self. Your foundation consists of the habits you build, the boundaries you set, and the choices you make. It's about creating a daily structure that supports the life you want to live. Exercise 2, building your foundation. For this exercise, I want you to start building your foundation by identifying 3 daily habits that will support your continued growth. These could be things like morning meditation, journaling, exercising, or setting aside time for self-reflection. Write them down and make a commitment to yourself to practice these habits every day for the next week. As you do this, ask yourself, what kind of foundation am I building for my life? And how can these daily habits support me in living authentically? This foundation will be the bedrock of your continued growth. The more consistent you are with these habits, the stronger your foundation will become. Building a foundation takes time, but every small step you take adds strength to it. The habits you build today will support the life you create tomorrow.